Okay, so now dropshipping business, like I told you yesterday, it's a business that it's not just like you can't run it like your normal regular business. So if you want to like achieve your goal with that business, then you need to use the right tool. Okay. So of course we'll have a lot of businesses that offer some of those tools. But the one I highly recommend is Ali Dropship. Now I'm going to explain how it works. Okay, so Ali Dropship, they give you different options if you want to start a dropshipping business. Now, this one you're seeing on your screen now is they sell established stores for people who wants to be dropshipping.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Okay. So what it means is that, for instance,
Yeah, I can hear you.
okay, let me scroll down. You see these stores, the automerch.com, the Sherry Kids. Now these are stores
Yeah.
they have
Yeah.
actually developed over the years. They've been using it to sell the products, right? And
Okay.
just like this first one is already
Okay.
making
Okay.
523,000 per month, right? The Cherry Kids is making 49,000 per
520.
month.
Okay.
Yeah. So what it means that they are selling the
Okay. Yeah.
store, they are selling the store to you, right? So all you need, you don't need to do
Okay.
anything. All you need to
Okay.
do just buy the store and continue with the store. Do you understand? Like
All
now,
right.
this one is
All
already
right.
sold.
Yeah. Instead of building from scratch.
Building from scratch, exactly. So it
Okay. Yeah.
means
Sold.
like this
That's it.
first one now, they sell, I think it's auto accessories. So you just take over the product. So you're not changing product already because they already have the market. Let me open this page so you see what I mean. Can you see the next page?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see, the key performance data, they are already making 523,000 per month. They already have 170 visitors per month. And they've made over 10,000 orders
Okay.
per month. Yes, they go have social media followers with about 7,000 followers. So it means, for example, if you're going to use this particular service, you don't need me because everything has been done for you. All you need to do just buy the site. It's not like you're buying a business. You understand? Hello.
Yeah.
So it's more like you're buying a business. That is what it
Yeah.
means.
I'm with you.
Okay, that is what it means. So if you're buying this, these are what is included. The dropshipping store with over 500,000 monthly sales. You already have audience of 5,000 customers, right? And they will give you, a
Okay. Okay.
lifelong post-sale support. Then you
Post
have,
sale support.
yes, they will
Okay.
help you, they will give you a personal manager that will help you. Then everything at the site has been optimized. Okay, you have a Facebook page with over 5,000
Okay.
followers, active Pinterest accounts. Then there are other plugin and add-in already inside for you. So if you're buying this, you're not buying any of it, just this product. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, so that
Yeah.
is what this is number one option. So if it's something you are interested in, this particular one, they didn't put the price. You have to reach out to them, consult them, they discuss. They will tell you how much it will cost. And I think it will actually be really expensive because it's a site that's already making profits. So once you buy it, you're not doing anything. Even the social
Yeah.
media promotion, you're not doing anything. They have what we call social rabbit plugin. This plugin will just be promoting your product in all platforms. All you need to do just
Products.
to yes, all you need to do is just sit down, relax, and just be monitoring your sales.
Okay.
You understand? So this is an
Wow.
example.
That's
Yeah,
that's that's a very good one.
yes, this is an example of the site, one of the sites for sale. This is that first one. They sell, as you can see, the sales they've made so far from some of the reviews, right? So this one is the first option.
Yeah.
Like I said, this particular one might be really, really expensive. I don't know how much. It's when you chat up with them, then they can tell you. Then the second option is what we call the one I told you yesterday. Just buy a store from them. They store it on your website. So which is this one? You
Okay.
buy premium store. Okay, let me open it.
Okay.
So this one is a premium store. So the difference between this one and the one I showed you was the other one you're buying the whole thing, like it's already set up for you. But this
Yeah.
one now, you are
Okay.
buying a copy of a store that is already selling.
Okay.
So it's more like everything, the business is going to start from a scratch, but they are giving you a store that is actually optimized already. So for
Okay.
instance, here are some of the stores here, like just like that one I showed you. This one is already making 503,000 per month. That first one I showed you. So they're going to give you the copy of the store, not the store itself. Do you understand?
Okay.
So they have
Yeah.
different one. Look at this one as well. So if you look at the mom, for instance, this mom and baby essential store, this is what you get if you decide to go for one of the premium dropshipping store. You will get the copy of that store, right? Then, which is an award-winning design, optimized already. You don't need to do much. Then a ready-to-sell selected high-demand AliExpress item. They're going to give you some selected products you can sell, right?
Only
Then,
on that very store.
yes, on that store, this particular, if you're buying just the store only, right? Then you get
Okay.
a product page with quality photos, like compelling description and every
Okay.
other thing. Then product
Yeah.
import on the most trusted AliExpress supplier. So there are suppliers they have selected that they are reliable. You understand? So they
Okay.
give you access to those ones. Then you also have the Ali Dropship plugin. So this Ali Dropship plugin is a plugin that will automate the whole dropshipping. You know, the dropshipping business is you are not stocking the products. You only once people order, you fulfill the product. So this Ali Dropship plugin will automate the whole process for you. See, you really wouldn't be doing much, right? So if you are opting for
Okay.
this option now, all you are buying is just their store, right? Then I will build the website for you. Then I will install the store inside. This is the second option.
All right. All right.
So the stores
Okay.
are the stores. I think is $300 per store. Yes, I think it's $300 per store. Here, as you can see, it's 300. Whichever one you decide to use, is $300 per store.
Wow, that's really that's really huge. But no problem. Okay.
Okay. Then let me now show you the third option now. The third option is I am going to build the whole thing from scratch for you, right?
Okay.
But you are going
Okay.
to purchase the plugin, this Ali Dropship, that one that automates the whole process. Because this is the only this plugin now is what will turn your store to a dropshipping store. Without this plugin, your store is just your regular e-commerce store. So you're going to just buy only this plugin, which is around $89, right? I will build
Okay.
the store for you. I'll build the website, put the store for you. Then if you buy this plugin, I will install the plugin for you. Then to now automate the whole process. That is the third option. So I've given you three options now. So you now look at them
Yeah.
and see the one based on the amount, the price, and the processes. Then aside that, there are other things that can help you sell well, which is, let me show you. Okay, so there are other products that call add-on. Hello, are you with me?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So now these add-on are other products that can help your dropshipping business. But if, for example, you are buying that
Okay.
first option, the one I told you about, the whole, you are buying the store itself,
Yeah.
you don't need this
Yeah.
add-on because everything has been done for you
All
inside
these
already.
ones. Yeah.
But if you are buying just the store
Okay.
or you are buying the plugin, then you might need this add-on. For instance, this particular one now have things like countdown, like product countdown. Let me show you the example. If you look at this one now. If, for example, you are doing sales, you want a countdown to show you on your site, you can buy the add-on, which I will install for you. Then there is also Facebook business. You can automatically run an ad direct from your Facebook, from your website, Facebook ad. Then there's another one called sales pop-up. Like if you go to some website, say you see something like social person purchase this product. Don't know if you've seen any
Yeah.
website.
Yeah.
So it's an add-on
Yeah.
again
I'm
you
seeing
can
that.
purchase. Yeah. Then the merchant, Google Merchant, also you can through the website run your product on Google Store. So those things are done automatically when you use this particular tool. Then
This
upsell.
when I use this second option.
No, what I mean is if you buy this add-on, right? And you decide to
Yeah.
use either the second and the third option, these two will help
Okay.
you.
Okay.
You understand here? But
Okay.
for the first option,
Yeah.
you don't need it, it's already there.
I don't. Okay. Okay.
Yes, for
Okay.
that
All
first
right.
one I showed you
Understand.
here, go to Google Merchant, then upsell. Upsell is when someone purchase your product and they want to like check out other products to show up, which they can, if they want to purchase other products, they can, yes, they will see it immediately. Then this social rabbit, which is the one I talked about, automatic promotion of your product on all social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. So you just set it up on your store every day to be posting on your platform. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do just be checking to
Okay.
see how the sales are going and all that. So this particular add-on now is sold for, I think it's 100 and for something dollars.
Okay. To get that add-on.
To get just this add-on, yes, there are 6 products inside.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
which is $147, right? Then the next one, maybe you don't want to buy all the products, you just want to buy just one of the 2, instead of the 6 of them. I would
Okay.
recommend you go for the social rabbits, which is that social media. Like after I must have set up the site for you to run it, can I install this to social rabbit is $69, right? It will now automatically
Yeah.
be promoting the site for you. And it's not a
Okay.
subscription to
Automatically.
automatically once you set it up, because already the store you buy already have products installed for you. So once everything is set up, I install this tool
Yes. Yeah.
for you. The thing will now automatically promote it on social media. So all you need to do now, open your social media and see if there are orders or any updates. But you will not manually be promoting it yourself. That is what this tool does.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
And the last two again I would recommend is Celica. Celica is another tool that can help you. Like if you are not using the first option, this tool now can help you write optimized product description. You understand? Because when you come to online,
Okay.
your keyword matters. If you want to be ranking well, your keyword matters. So they developed a tool that will help you write great product description. So for this particular tool is you have to like pay a more like a subscription tool. You pay per month. I think around from like $7 per month to 99, depending on what you want. So this one I did 200 for the silver one. You can use it to edit 250 products description. But if you have more than 250 product description, then you opt for another package, which is like gold. If you have up to 2,000 products, then you might go for the platinum. But the charge per month, which is like 7,000 per month. Do you understand? So these are the options now.
I don't really understand this. I don't really understand this one.
This last one.
So I just
Okay.
finished saying.
Okay, let me
Yeah.
explain. You know, when you go to a store, you see a product on a website, right?
Yeah.
Hello. You will see the product
Yes. Yes.
description.
I'm listening.
You see product description, right?
Yeah.
Now, let's say,
Yeah.
for example, now you wanted to buy a mobile phone. Now you go to Google and search maybe like iPhone. Now, a lot of products, a lot of website that sells iPhone is going to show. Now, those products that have those products, iPhone product that show are not there because the people selling it are the best. They are there because those product descriptions they are well optimized. That is why they appear on first page of Google. So what this tool does for you is to help you optimize your own product as well, the description. Do you understand?
Okay.
So that at least once people
Yeah.
search for that your own product will be among the ones that will show up.
Okay. All right. All right. All
So
right.
it's to help
Now I
you
get you.
write good descriptions. That's what this one does. So these are the options, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So that is just it. So based on what I'm going, let me send you the links to all those products. So you look at them one by one. I think you can read through them, then make your choice.
Okay. For that option two, can we do massive sale on it if we achieve it?
Yes,
Probably if we don't get the first.
you can
Okay.
because you are actually buying a store from them, a store they've already built and optimized. Okay, so it will be faster. Like if
Okay.
I'm going to set, if you're going to use option three now, I'm giving the whole thing from scratch for you. Even if I optimize it, it's going to take a while for Google to start ranking that one. But this option two, Google has already started ranking it because the site is already out there. Do you understand? So that one is easier for you to start selling faster compared to option three. So that is just it.
Okay. Now, all right. Let me ask this last question. I'm a novice in this. So if we finally achieve a site, how much do you think one can start with and probably make profit? Because the whole thing is new to me.
Okay. Well, I would
I
say
am not.
I understand. What I would say is now this dropshipping business actually is a business that requires no capital to start, right? Except if you are going to build the store yourself. Okay. So if you are going to the what you will spend, if you need to spend money on it, it's just the money for setting up the site for you, which is what I just showed you. You're not spending any other money aside what I just showed you, based on whichever option you choose. If you're going for that option
Mm,
one, yes, if you're going for that option one, once you buy the store, you are not spending any other thing. Except maybe you want to run additional
really?
marketing. Yes. I said you want to run additional, maybe now, because that one, maybe you want to run ads for Facebook and Google and all that. That's only where you spend money, but nothing else. You don't spend any other money. Then if you are going for the option two, you are buying the store, then I am setting it for you. That is the only two things you pay for. That is the only thing you spend money on.
Okay.
Yeah. Then if you are going for the
Okay.
option
Won't I
three,
use money to buy products for customers?
no, you're not buying products. You're not buying products. This is how dropshipping works. You actually take products and like you actually few products in your store, like you own the products.
Okay.
So whenever someone
Okay.
orders for your store, you take the order to the supplier. It's the supplier that will send the order to the person. You're not doing any other
To the
thing.
person. Okay.
But if you are using those things I said
Okay.
for you, like the first and the second option plus the third option, the whole process is already automated for you. So you're not
Okay.
packaging any product, you're not stocking any product, you're not buying any product. No.
Okay. That's good. That's
That's why it's
interesting.
called dropshipping. Yeah. It's a automated kind of business.
Okay. Interesting. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for everything. We are going to do the business together. You will teach me. You will follow me up until I'm professional on it.
No problem, no problem. And you talked about the training. So
Yeah.
if you want after the whole setup, I can actually train you how to manage the
Yeah.
website and every other thing. Even though at the end of the day, you may not really be
Uh,
creative, but it's good you know what like now. Once you start making sales, how do you process your order? How do you do all those things? These are part of the training that
yeah.
will take place. Yes.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
So
All
usually
right.
training
Thank
will
you
be
so
after
much.
the site has been set up. If I cannot train you
Yes.
how
Yes.
to
Exactly.
manage the whole thing. Do you have any
Yeah.
other question?
Exactly. I think I'm done. I'm okay for now.
All right. All
Charge.
right.
All
It's
right.
okay.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a
Bye.
nice day. Bye bye.